fourth position, and it looked to me as though Michael Andretti was making a pass around the outside. We've got a crash in turn 2, a crash, the yellows are out already, and several cars are involved in this early stage. Alan Jr. is one of them.
Yep, and Naoki Hattori, Ben, is the other driver.
Naoki Hattori, the Japanese driver, teammate. Oh, and that's Raul Boesel. That's one of the Team Green cars. Raul Boesel, who is standing in for Paul Tracy. And the red car there, I think, was Richie Hearn that was also involved in that little incident. Well, I don't know about little. I think it's a pretty big incident, looking at these two in the wall there at the exit of turn number 2. Alonso Jr.'s red and white Penske right into the wall with the right rear ripped off that car. And Naoki Hattori to his left, that blue car, he's the Japanese rookie joining Gilles de Ferran in the Walker Racing team. Well, let's see if we can get an opportunity to see what happened here, Jeremy. This is the replay from the Goodyear blimp overseeing everything.
He was right on the extreme left of the picture there. Hattori and Unser got together there, and Unser's car pinned up against the wall by Hattori, and a heavy impact there. Even on the first lap, these cars are doing in excess of probably 150 miles an hour around that turn.
So, problems. All right, now look, who's that into the pits?
I think that's Luis Garcia, right, in the Tang car. He's a newcomer this year. He won a couple of races in Indy Lights last year, but problems also there for Luis Garcia Jr.
Have to be careful. The livery is quite similar to that of Adrian Fernandez, the green and red colours. But Garcia here, as you say, the rookie, he's a Brazilian driver joining the Peyton Coyne team, and they're running 3 cars this weekend. Let's take another look from an onboard camera. This is with Scott Pruitt. Now then, do we get a vision here? He was going around the outside of Raul Boesel, and there suddenly, just see how fast those cars go to the outside.
Astonishing, isn't it? You know, when you're watching on an oval like this, you really don't get a true appreciation of the speed until something goes wrong like that. A car spears off the road, and there is Raul Boesel. Good to see he's okay. And the track officials there, the kart safety crew, they really are a sensational bunch of people, and they're attending there to Naoki Hattori and Alonso Jr.
Well, it's always a worry to see an accident in the early stages, or any stage on an oval. That was a very heavy impact. Let's hope the drivers are okay. Drivers going slowly, the rest of them are still out there. We're under yellow, so we're just going to have to see what happens. There's the view then overhead as we look down again from the blimp. You can see the leaders going through. Greg Moore from Juan Montoya being shown as second.
Yeah, he actually came into the pits. He came into the pits, did Juan Montoya. At that time around. That's why he showed up second, because he came on the inside lane there into the pit lane. He actually crossed the timing and scoring line in second place, but he made a pit stop and will rejoin at the back of the field.
Let's see what happened to Richie Hearn. Remember, he got involved. Now the cars on the outside were a lot of braking going on, and basically Richie was on the brakes as other cars tried to avoid the accident, and it doesn't look as though he actually hit anything. So it looked as though Richie may have got away with it, except for the fact that he's ruined a set of tyres. Again, that's the onboard, and just how fast Hattori and Alonso Jr. Now, whether Hattori lost it and drifted out into Alonso Jr., it happened so fast you can't really tell, can you?
No, it's awfully difficult to tell from those sort of angles there, but certainly there's some concern, I think, about those two drivers there tangled up against the wall at the moment, and the kart safety team is there, the ambulance is there, and they're working away. But there is Raul Boesel's car. You can see some pretty funky angles on those wheels, but we've already seen Raul walking away, so that's good news. But you know, things happen in the blink of an eye, less than the blink of an eye. It's so fast, and there is really no chance to react. When you make contact with another car at that speed, you know, it's all over. You just hang on there and wait for the impact.
Well, those of you watching on Eurosport and enjoying our coverage of this first round of the 1999 FedEx Championship Series, obviously